So this is how you're gonna set up this folding cart that they sent to me for this video. This brand sent it to me for this video, and I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But you're gonna have this, which is gonna be kind of like the bottom part, like a hardcover bottom part. So once that you've done this one, you're gonna remove the strap that comes with this one. It comes with a strap, like a Velcro strap. So you're gonna remove that one right away. Move it from both sides, and then what you're gonna do, just gonna do this, hand fold it. By the way, we can put this one on if it bothers, and we're gonna push it. Once that we push it, we're gonna put the bottom part, which is gonna be kind of like the floor, and we are all set. That is gonna take about maybe 1 or 2 minutes, no more than that. Okay, so check it out. A few things that I like about this one. Number one, how you can extend this handle over here, which by the way, you're gonna have this really nice kind of like absorption over here. Whatever you are dragging or pushing this one, that's where all that weight is gonna go in this handle over here. And also, you remember that you can just do this and kind of like make it to be even like this for more like storage purposes. By the way, this right here, you're gonna find that comes with not one but 2 water bottle holders or tumbler holders, so you can put your water bottles in there. So that is really cool to have. Last but not least, on this side, these 2 wheels are gonna have a lock. So what you're gonna do with those ones, you can actually do this and you're all set. This thing won't move easily, so that is really good if you are kind of like in a slope or something like that, and then you can just like unlock it or just like push that one back away, this one, and unlock it, and this is all set, ready to go with big wheels that you can also use in the sand. Also, by the way, do you know that this thing supports 330 pounds? It's actually pretty big. I have to say that it's big to carry your kids inside if you want, or just like carry things like grocery shopping, or if you're going to go to the beach or camping or hiking, you can put a lot of things in this one. But 330 pounds, I mean, this is not doing anything. So yeah, you can see that this one supports a lot of, and again, the fact that you can just take it with you everywhere and just fold it, unfold it, keep it in your truck, in your SUV, in your car, and making sure you have everything kind of like convenient to have every single time that you are, again, grocery shopping or just camping, hiking, or going to your kids' soccer match or something like that. You have this one all the times, every single time, to just make sure that you can carry all the things you want, even your kids if you want.